Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here in Porth Madryn, and it's on the cruise ship that goes south towards the Antarctica and towards Llŷn and everything else. But I just wanted to show you the port. Let me turn this camera around and I'll show you what we're looking at. So I like to just show you so you know what to expect. And so there's another big ship here. Now it's not nearly as big as ours, but this is what the port looks like. And it's really, 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 really long. Like I'd say, you know, I don't know, maybe a half mile all the way down to the shore. So I don't know if you can see it way down there, but it's down there. We're gonna get off here in a second, and once we do, I will film this so that you can see what you're looking at and see how far of a walk it is and see if it's something you're interested in doing. Anyway, that's it for me, and then I'll go to town. And the town isn't much to speak of, but I'll go see exactly what I can see. Okay, bye everybody. Also everybody, this is the contraption that they use to get us off the ship with. You can tell it's got like multiple levels, so like one on the bottom and another one and then another one, and some are ramp and some are stairs. But there's no other thing to get off, and the guy in the forklift is waiting to drag it to wherever we need it at. So this too is going to be a little tricky to get off. So again, if you're mobily challenged, it might be a little tricky. Anyway, just thought I'd share this with you too. Okay, bye-bye. See, now theirs has the ramp, but I don't think ours is going to get the ramp. But even that ramp's pretty steep. Okay, moving on. Bye-bye. So this is what it's like to get off on this contraption. So you got to go down through all these different levels and everything else, and you got to watch your head. But then you get to here, and this is the port. So now I'm on the port. Now you're going to get to see how long the walk is to the shore. And the wind is hairy. It's blowing pretty bad. It's supposed to be about 48 degrees maybe, but the wind chill factor is going to be pretty bad. I've got a long sleeve shirt on and a coat, so I think the pier is really long so that it's deep enough for the big ships. Because I'm on the Sapphire Princess, and it's a big boy. So, but you can see how far away the shore is, and I'm walking pretty fast. And the wind, look at the flags. Yeah. Yeah, it's certainly whipping. So bringing coats or extra coat, depending on what time of year it is, and pay attention to the weather. And you can see there's white caps out on the sea. Even the trash bags have popped out of their little holes. Yowza! Okay, I might have needed another long sleeve shirt under this long sleeve shirt, and I've still got my coat on too, but we will see. I think it'll get a little warmer as the day goes on, and you can tell there's nobody in front of me because I'm a FIFO. You know what a FIFO is? Well, FOFO. First off, first on. So I try to get early and get off just to avoid the mad, crazy dash of all the people trying to get off the boat. It's still walking. How long's it been now? It's about 3 minutes. Only, well, no, we got a little ways still. It's more than a quarter of a mile. Ooh, ah, boy, that wind is. Ah. Okay. that's something else to look at. There's no mountains around here. It's all flat land. So I bet the wind just goes right over the top of it and comes a blasting through. And it is a little cold too. Alarm if somebody goes in the water. And this is what it looks like from this direction. Yeah, I can't tell you how happy I am I got off first. And there's not much in this town to see. I read that a lot of the roads are dirt roads and there's not a lot of attractions. They have penguins to go see, or sea lions, or whatever to go swim with, or seals, but there's not much. I did see a graveyard, or graveyard, which I thought would be good. And then I was going to go see how much eggs cost, but I'll keep you posted on that. So, oh, boy, it's nice when the wind stops. Getting to see the shore a little better. Let me pan around and you can see the city and town a bit. And again, there isn't too much here. I did read about that in jetty way out there, that there's like a cave or something that falls in their top 5. But I guess we'll see. How long has it been now? Almost 6 minutes. So if I do 15-minute miles, it's probably going to be a half a mile, everybody. So just be prepared. If you're challenged mobily and you have to have canes or walkers or stuff like that, this might be a long haul. I don't know if they offer any kind of transportation for people, but I haven't seen any yet. They do have a wheelchair lane there, but with this wind, it might be a hard roll. Well, it's cold enough to make my nose run. And it's summertime here. So I'm filming this video, when is it? It's February 10th, 11th? Yeah, 11th. So this is their summertime. The shoreline looks good. I was thinking about walking that too. And I think it's a couple, 3 or 4 miles each direction, but and another thing, they said that you can't bring off anything that's edible. No seeds, no coffee, no soda, no fruit, no vegetables, not an orange, not a peanut, not anything. And that they check your bags up here, and then if you do bring something off, they fine you. So be aware of that. And it looks like we are going to go through some kind of checkpoint up here. So don't bring off goods. They even said milk. They even said, even a canned soda you can't take off. So just be aware. All right. Well, that's it for me, everybody, and it's about 8 minutes. So it probably is a good half a mile. So, cool, everybody. That's it. Bye.